Justice of an hour is better than worship for a year. Why does God ask us to worship Him? Is He in need of our prayers? The only reason God wants us to pray and worship Him is to become better human beings. If you only pray and don't do anything else, then as the Prophet said, a moment of justice is better than a year of worship. Take an example of a child who kept his apple with you. After a while he comes back and he finds that you have eaten a small portion of it. He becomes displeased and looks at you with accusing eye as if he's saying that you are guilty of breach of trust. This is certain that when a child knows about injustice, even though he may not tell you so with his tongue. Similarly, justice is a thing which men consider as a good thing. And when a person himself justifies action by saying that he has been unjust. Respected audience, justice is a basic condition in Islam, where all important establishments and institutions remain under the control of just people, whose reputation has been good and who are able and justice. And right from the qazi to the ordinary clerk and the witness, all are should be particular in upholding justice. And the men who lead prayer and the mujtahid and the jurist and the president and the finance minister and the prime minister, all are should be just and honest. And the matter of giving news, only the men who are just and honest should be relied upon. And the Prophet of Islam said, a moment of justice is better than 70 years of worship, and which you keep past the nights and offering the prayer and worship to Allah. And I want to conclude my topic by saying this of Allah. Allah loves those who just actly. Thank you for listening.